This is a what's in the box for Dice Throne Season 2, Tactician versus Huntress. We'll take a look and see what's inside. It's basically a two-player game, but you can play with more than two players. I'm going to do one quick comment on the box, though. You can't feel it, but it has like a linen finish to it, and you can kind of hear it. And it's a very surprisingly nice box for such a inexpensive little game. Okay, so let's take a look. So we have the rules. And another cool thing about Dice Throne is that inside comes with inserts for each character. So we have the Huntress insert, which we'll take a look at in a second, and the Tactician insert, which we'll also take a look. And these contain all the stuff required for the, for the game. Play with these. So let's open up Tactician and Huntress and take a look. So we have the player, which is really cool that it folds up like this, and it comes in basically unfolds into a player board. You can see all the different abilities for him. No upgrades on the back, so it's just a one-sided player board for this guy. And I'll just let you take a look. I'm not going to go through each thing individually. You have a kind of a frequently asked questions, complexity, and I guess a guide to all the effects. Health counter, combat point counter, deck of cards, which I'm not gonna go through all of them. I guess we can take a quick look at a few of these. So like some cards, counters, just various counters, and custom dice. So this is pretty cool that they have custom dice. Obviously, it's Dice Throne. Now, one thing I will say is before this game was released, I did play it at PAX South in the, I guess I forget what it was called. It was like the indie game thing, and it was a cool game back then, but they've really taken it to the next level with the production quality of this. So here's the Huntress. Unfolds. Again, nothing on back of this one. You can see the different abilities. Summary card. You have for complexity, how to play, and also companion and effects. We have deck cards, couple, so her companion, her combat points, and her health. A little bit less counters than Tactician, and then again 5 custom dice. And let's take a look at the cards. So you can see here, we'll just see a few. Let me put them right side up. So there you have it. That is Dice Throne Season 2, Tactician versus Huntress. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and take a look at our other videos.